Hello guys, it's Tino Caleb back with another video, and this is for all you guys that have 4C hair, basically just you black men that have 4C hair and want to fix your sides and grow it out and shit like that. So basically, if you have a sky top or a box cut and you don't have no sides at all, just the hair up here, you're gonna want to completely cut that shit off and restart, because trying to grow that shit out and grow your sides out with the top is not going to work, because your top will always grow faster than your sides will. So your sides will never have time to catch up. So if you restart, it'll be fully restarted and it'll all grow at the same time. So once you restart, you're going to want to grow it out for like 5 to 6 months. And I'm saying this because I went through this exact same process, and I will put up pictures right here, multiple pictures actually, of me with the skybox. And this is my hair now when I restarted in January of 2024. This is my hair now. So yeah, trust me, I know what you guys are going through. I used to have the same exact stuff happening to me. So yeah, but anyways, it's gonna be an ugly ass process, trust me, because you're not gonna want to get it touched or anything cut, nothing. No tapers, because people rush the tapers. They want to rush getting a taper. They'll restart, grow it out for about 2 to 3 months, and then they'll get a taper. No, you want to grow it out for about 6 to 7 months, and then finally get a taper. Once your hair is about like my length, like out to here. I know, crazy, but it's gonna be a process, like I said. And once you go and grow it out to that length for that taper, you're gonna want to get the taper, and then yeah, and then once your hair gets to a long enough length, which is about like my length, you can start getting like protective styles. And I'm gonna be getting twists very soon, or braids, either one, and I'm gonna be choosing which one I want. So yeah, because once you start doing those, your hair will grow so much like faster. And yeah, but the best like hairstyle for growth is cornrows. Cornrows is like a cheat. You're gonna want to do that. Like if you want your hair to go fast, you want to do that. You just want to spam cornrows, and then yeah, it'll just grow. And then some of the products I would have to like help me with my hair growth process would be oils such as Dew Grow oil and wild hair growth oil. I used to use the rosemary oil, but apparently I stopped. Like, I mean, apparently, let me cut that out. Apparently, they said that it's making people go bald, but I don't know if it's true or not. But I'm just not gonna take the chance and use them. So I'm just using my Dew Grow oil, and I would either prefer this or wild hair growth oil. My bad. And my hair is not crazy long, but like, I mean, it goes down pat to my nose, so it's decently long, I would say. And it took me a year to grow to this length, and I went through some ugly ass processes, and I will show you me in the beginning of the year with my process, like of when I restarted, and I'll show you some pictures and videos of me in like February and March up here on the screen. So yeah, that was a rough process, but I was wearing hats and stuff, so it was keeping it compressed down. So I had to stop wearing hats eventually, so I could let my hair breathe and actually like be pulled out and not compressed in and all nappy and stuff. So yeah, trust me guys, it is an ugly ass process, but trust me, it'll freaking work. I promise you guys. Look at me, and you guys can use me for example. I literally went through the whole thing, and I'm still trying to grow my hair to longer length too, because why not? I would never want to restart again, because that was the ugliest process I've ever done in my life, and I did not want to ever go back to the skybox cut, because that's just not it. And products I would prefer for 4C hair, like leave-in conditioner and like curl gel, is these two right here. They are the Mielle leave-in conditioner and the Mielle Curl Smooth, and they both work very amazing in your hair along with those oils. And trust me, you guys will be set and rolling. And that's all I really did for real, and I wore a bonnet, a silk bonnet, because you never want to let your head be exposed unless you have silk pillow sheets or pillowcases. My bad. And yeah, never sleep in your bed with your hair just roaming free out, because it can pull your hair and damage your hair and have hair fall out and stuff like that. So you always want to wear a silk bonnet or have silk pillowcases. And if you guys have any questions or comments or anything, let me know in the comments below, and let me know how you guys' journeys are going, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.